guys, this is Group 4 presenting our group mini project to you. So let's move on to our introduction. So what exactly is an aquatic life? Aquatic life are creatures who are usually live either in freshwater or seawater. Aquatic life can be categorized into three different types, which are plankton, nekton, and benthos. Plankton is defined as organisms that live in the surface layer of the water, and whereas nekton is the organism that live in the water column and can be swim freely. Usually, the organism can be either vertebrate or invertebrate. Benthos is defined as the organism who live near the seabed and usually unable to swim. However, there are some organisms like octopus which can swim are known as nectobenthos. In this study, there are 6 aquatic organisms which are focused on, which are razor clams, jellyfish, catfish, squid, prawn, and crab. This study will discuss on the scope of fishing or catching technique, price, taste, and lastly, cooking process. Razor clams are deep burrowing coastal bivalve shellfish, distributed worldwide except in the polar regions. It has a soft body, and this clam has a pair of plates or shells that form a razor-sharp outer layer, and they are typically 3 to 8 inches long. There are 3 methods to catch the razor clams, which are clam gun, with a clam shovel, and sort them out. Jellyfish is a kind of marine invertebrate zooplankton with low carnivorous animals. There are many types of jellyfish. There are more than 250 kinds in the world, and different jellyfish has different forms. 95% of the jellyfish body is water, and the rest is proteins and lipids. This is why the jellyfish is transparent. The jellyfish are wild and not raised in captivity. Fishing nets can be used to catch jellyfish. The practice of catching jellyfish with bare hands should not be promoted, and at least with the help of simple tools like net bags. Catfish is a freshwater fish that consists of whiskers and barbels around their mouth which resemble the cat whiskers. However, there are saltwater catfish, but majority of it is from freshwater, and there are over 2,500 species types of catfish. Fishermen or locals have their own method to catch a catfish. The first method is with their bare hands, and the second one is still fishing. The method is simple and effective. It requires the right fishing gear and bait. Squid is a nekton aquatic life and is categorized as a cephalopods class. In the categories of squids, there are 300 different species. The appearance of the squid is having a distinct head, bilateral symmetry, and a mantle. Their bodies are soft and have a small internal skeleton that is made of chitin. There are 3 simple ways to catch squids, which are netting, using light and night, and jigging. Prawn is one of the nekton aquatic life. Usually people will mix out the species of prawn and shrimp. The difference between shrimp and prawn is prawn consists of 3 pairs of claws like leg, while shrimp have only 1 pair. Prawn have longer legs compared to shrimp. In addition, prawn live in freshwater while shrimps can be found in marine. There are 2 ways of catching techniques of prawn, which are netting and trapping. Netting technique is the most common used by the fishermen in Malaysia as it is faster and time-saving. Apart from that, trapping is another technique that is used by the fishermen in Malaysia. Crabs are under the classes of Malacostraca. Crabs can be categorized into 5 different types, which are freshwater crabs, seawater crabs, terrestrial crabs, and semi-terrestrial crabs. There are around 800 species of crabs. Crabs are covered with thick exoskeleton which are made of chitin. In order to catch flower crabs, local fishermen will usually use the technique of trapping and crabbing. Fishermen will usually add some meats like fish to attract the flower crabs into the trap. And some fishermen will also use their bare hands to catch the crabs. Hey guys, this is Nicholas and trick number 70734. So I'll be showing you how to cook fried spicy razor clams. First of all, you will need razor clams, curry paste, dry chilies, and garlic chunks. Make sure you chop the garlic and dry chilies beforehand. Next, you wash out the sand in the intestine of the razor clams. You should fry the garlic chunks until it turns golden. After After that, you slowly add in the curry paste. Make sure you heat up the curry paste properly. After that, you add in the chilies to enhance the aroma. After you are done with the sauce, you proceed to add in the razor clams. The razor clams for around 8 to 10 minutes to get rid of the stinkiness of seafood. After you are done, you serve it on the plate. That's it. Enjoy your fried spicy razor clams.
Hi, my name is Mei Jun with a metric number of 66433. The seafood that I choose is crab, and the dishes that I'm going to show you is home-cooked soy sauce flour crab. I hope you enjoy it, and let's dig into the ingredients preparations and also the step in making these delicious dishes. Let's go! These are the ingredients that we need to be prepared. We have lemongrass, flour crab, ginger, soy sauce, salt, oil, red onions, garlic, and eggs. For the first step, we need to make sure that our flour crabs are clean and remove the crab gills as it is poisonous to consume. Next, we need to heat up the oils. And once the oil is ready, we need to add in chopped lemongrass, garlic, red onions, and garlic. Once you can smell the aroma from the fried ingredients, this is the time where we started to add in the crabs into it. When the crab is added in, make sure that the crab is well stir-fried and cooked for around 15 to 20 minutes. In this cooking process, around 1 cup of water is needed to be added. Once the color of the flour crab has turned into an orange color or red color, add in some salt, soy sauce, and lastly eggs. Mix it well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So once 2 to 3 minutes has passed, the dishes is ready to be served. I hope you enjoy the recipe.
I'm Aelred Fred, matrix number 68910, and currently taking resource in chemistry from Faculty Science and Technology.
Hello guys, my name is Josephine Chau Wei Xin with the metric number 66308. Now I will show you guys how to cook the soy sauce prawn. Let's get started.
Before we start, we need to prepare the prawn, soy sauce, onion, garlic, and ginger. First, we need to put the oil into the wok, then put the garlic and onion. After that, put inside the prawn and stir well. And then add on with the soy sauce, ginger, and salt. Then mix well. Stir evenly and the prawn is ready to serve. That's done. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Wong Chun Yui, number matrix 71957, and now I have will start my presentation for the cooking. The first step is we need to ready the ingredient. What we need, they have the square that already is cut and the process and the chili gradient. And then we open the fire, put the oil, move, and then we put the garlic, and then put the square, stir fry it, and then until the square is rolled out, because that means it already cooked. We put the salt, put in the chili, waiting it a few minutes. Press the fire, put it in the tray, and then we finish the process of cooking the square.
Hello, thanks for watching this video. I am Hon Poh Hian with the metric number 69863. Today this video I will try to introduce how to cook the marinade of the jellyfish.
First, we need to chop the coriander, salad, and garlic. Then we need to cut the jellyfish that stuck in the water for more than 10 hours into the thin sizes. After that, we need to put the jellyfish slice into the boiling water at about 70 degrees for 5 minutes. Then we squeeze the water from the jellyfish slice by hand and then put them into the basin. And then we also put the minced garlic, minced salad, mushroom sauce, 5 grams of sugar, 2 grams of MSG, 3 grams of the vinegar, 2 grams of the sesame oil into the basin. Then stir with chopstick, and we also put some coriander and stir again. Now, the marinade cool jellyfish is done.